Hi everyone, we're Team Google. My name is Abigail and I am one of the UX designers on the team. This is our take on the Pomodoro method, which helps you break down your work and take breaks at the same time. So before we start, we'd like to thank all of our team members for working tirelessly throughout the entire hackathon. Special thanks to our mentors, Brian, David, and Jackie, and our team members, Ali, Arena, Arsh, Harsh, Julie, Ronnie, and Tim. So there's been a huge decline in work-life balance ever since the boundaries between work and home have been blurred due to social distancing measures put in place because of COVID-19. According to a study conducted by Monster in 2020, over 2/3 of employees have experienced some form of burnout working from home. 59% of employees have stated that they're taking less time off than they normally would, and 42% don't take time off of work at all. In order to combat this unbalancing work-life balance, we designed a web app to encourage productivity by providing meaningful breaks to reduce distractions and increase focus in 4 ways: by allowing the users to recharge through time-allotted breaks, improving user health by lowering stress, adapting to user preferences of break activities, and understanding how to best encourage productivity. Our solution is framed by the Pomodoro technique, which typically follows a 25-minute work period followed by a 5-minute break to recharge. Studies show that shorter breaks between work cycles are more effective and motivating than longer ones, which is why Pomodoro has been so widely used among students and employees. Team Google's Pomodoro offers more than just a way to time work cycles and breaks. Our web app aims to help you adapt to working from home by getting the software to adapt to you. Google's Pomodoro learns your preferences by relieving stress, by providing catered content to the user, and actively collects feedback to improve future break activities and experiences while you use the app. In order to fully make use of the break, all curated content is shown on a full screen to fully remove external distractions, such as your own work, to completely focus on relaxing.
For UX, we use Google Docs and spreadsheets in order to keep track of all of our tasks. We also use Miro to help us prototype our mockups initially, and Figma as well, for that matter. We also used React for the front end, and Flask-based Google Cloud hosted Python server for our backend. Next slide, please. So our system design is very simple. Our front end is a simple progressive web app, which is cross-compatible, obviously, and our backend mainly runs on Google Cloud, where we use Firebase for user authentication and other API integrations, as well as the Google App Engine, which allows us to host our servers and connect to our databases very seamlessly. We also use the Google Cloud Build platform to run continuous integration, so we don't miss any new builds. And next, we have a demo by Ronnie.
This is Ronnie from the Google team. This is our product demo. So when you first open the product, you could choose to use it without signing in, like so. So this is like a work timer, right? You put in the amount of time that you want to get the work done. For demo purposes, let's just put like 1 minute so you can see the effect. So 1 minute, start timer. This little circle is supposed to go around and finish the circle. But when you're actually using it, you will put like 30 minutes or like 60 minutes, stuff like that. You could use it without signing in, but for demo purposes, here's signing in with Google. And here's prompting me to sign in, so I'm just going to pick my account. Once you're signed in, you can see your information displayed. Like I said, how long you like to work, right? You put in the number. And after the work cycle, it goes into the break cycle, how much time you would like to break. And again, it's the same thing. You can put in whatever number that you're comfortable with. Here's a little window to remind you the task that you're supposed to be completing after the break. after how much time you put in for the break, you are supposed to select categories that you're interested in, right? Like, let's just say that you're interested in cute animals and pets, or like yoga. You can select one or multiple. It's just up to you. And based on the categories that you select, you go to the next step. The backend will feed us a piece of media. It's just for demo purposes. Here's a link, embedded video from YouTube. So after the video is done playing, it goes back to the work cycle again. So yeah, so this is our product demo. We also have dark mode enabled, so it's easier on your eyes. Yeah, so supposedly after this piece of content is finished playing, it goes back to the work cycle again. So yeah, so that concludes our product demo. I hope you liked it. Thank you for your time. We appreciate it enormously. Thank you.